If you've been trying to figure out how to open itch.io games on Mac, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple way to launch both browser-based games and downloadable games from itch.io so you can get playing fast without getting stuck on the setup. This is a great quick guide for Mac users who want to know exactly what to click and where to look. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, you need to know that itch.io games usually come in two different types. The first type is a play-in-browser game, and the second type is a downloadable game that you install or extract on your Mac. If your game is meant to be played in the browser, go to the games page on itch.io. Once the page loads, look for the Run Game button. This is the button that starts the game directly inside your browser. Click it, and the game should load right away. From there, you can use your mouse and keyboard to play just like you normally would. This is the fastest and easiest way to open an itch.io game on Mac because you don't need to download anything at all. Now, if the game is a downloadable file, the process is still simple. After downloading the game, make sure the file is extracted if it came in a compressed folder. Open the newly extracted folder and look for the game's main application file. On Mac, this will usually be a app file. That app file is the actual program you need to open. Just click it to launch the game. If your Mac asks you for confirmation or security permission, approve it if you trust the game and downloaded it from the official itch.io page. Sometimes the first launch may take a moment, especially if the game is larger or your Mac is checking the app for the first time. If nothing happens immediately, give it a few seconds and try opening the .app file again. And if the game still doesn't open, double check that you're using the correct file and that the download finished properly. That's really all there is to it. Browser games use the Run Game button, and downloadable games usually open from the .app file inside the extracted folder. Once you know which type of itch.io game you have, opening it on Mac becomes super easy. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Mac gaming tips, app tutorials, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy your itch.io games on Mac.